If you're looking for an unusual pet, then it might be worth considering a pet turtle. They can make great companions with their fascinating behaviors and long lives. Some turtles even form strong bonds with their owners and will recognize them when they come home. But before you get a turtle, you should know that these reptiles have some special needs. If you don't provide your turtle with proper care, they may suffer from health problems or become stressed. In today's video, we'll discuss how to properly care for a turtle so they can live long and happy lives. Let's get into it. Provide adequate lighting. Providing adequate lighting is one of the most important aspects of caring for a turtle. Most turtles need both UVA and UVB light. While most of their day can be spent under a regular light, like a basking bulb, it's also important to provide UVB light for up to 12 hours per day. The UVB light helps your turtle synthesize vitamin D3 and regulate their circadian rhythm. Without enough UVB light, your turtle's shell won't grow properly, and they could develop metabolic bone disease. You can tell if your turtle isn't getting enough UVB light because they'll spend most of their time in the water and won't bask. If this happens, invest in a new light and make sure it's positioned correctly. A good rule of thumb is that the UVB light should be about 2 times as far away from the turtle as the basking bulb. This way, they can easily move between the 2 light sources. Check the manufacturer's instructions to ensure you set the lights up at the correct distance. Keep the enclosure clean. Turtles can be messy animals. If you keep your turtle in a dirty environment, they could develop health problems or infections. To prevent this, remove any uneaten food after 24 hours, and spot clean any waste as soon as you see it. You'll also want to do a full tank cleaning every 6 months. This involves removing all of the water, substrate, and decorations, then scrubbing them all with soap and warm water. While the tank is empty, take the opportunity to scrape algae off the glass. Once everything is clean and dry, return the decorations and add fresh substrate and water. It can be helpful to wear gloves when handling turtles and cleaning their tanks. Turtles carry bacteria that can make people sick. If you have cuts or scratches on your hands, it's best to avoid contact with your turtle until your skin heals. Provide a heat source. Turtles are cold-blooded, which means they rely on external sources for heat. Most turtles prefer temperatures between 72 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. However, some species require warmer temperatures. It's crucial to provide a heat source so your turtle can maintain a healthy body temperature. Without sufficient heat, turtles can go into shock and die. Many turtles will bask under a heat lamp, but others will lay on a heat rock. There are several types of heat lamps and rocks available for reptile enclosures. Just make sure you choose one that's appropriate for your turtle's size and tank dimensions. Also, place the heat source on a dimmer switch. This will allow you to control the temperature in the enclosure and prevent overheating. Check the temperature with a digital thermometer, which is more accurate than the dial thermometers. Offer hiding places. Turtles need places where they can hide and feel safe. If a turtle feels threatened or uncomfortable, they may try to escape their enclosure or become aggressive. To prevent this, offer plenty of hiding spots. In a turtle's enclosure, they'll appreciate anything from caves to plants to half logs. You can buy these items at most pet stores or online. If you have a smaller turtle, place the hiding spots close to the heat source. That way, they'll be able to stay warm while they hide. No matter what hiding spots you choose, just make sure they're large enough for the turtle to completely fit inside. If the hiding spot is too small, your turtle might not use it. Feed your turtle a balanced diet. Turtles typically eat a mixture of commercial turtle pellets and other foods. When choosing a pellet, look for one that lists the first ingredient as a protein source. Pellet alone should make up about 50% of your turtle's diet. The rest should consist of foods such as earthworms, black soldier fly larvae, snails, fish, and vegetables. It's also possible to feed your turtle fruit, but you should only do so occasionally since fruit is high in sugar. Different turtles have different dietary requirements. If you're unsure what to feed your turtle, ask a veterinarian or experienced turtle keeper. Another important aspect of feeding turtles is the frequency. Baby and juvenile turtles need to be fed daily. Adult turtles can be fed every few days. Before each meal, remove any uneaten food from the previous feeding. If you notice that your turtle is losing appetite, stop feeding them and consult a veterinarian. Loss of appetite is usually a sign that something else is wrong. Give your turtle space. Unless you have a very large enclosure, it's best to keep only one turtle inside. If you house multiple turtles together, they may fight and cause each other injuries. Even housed turtles of the same species can be territorial, so it's generally safest to keep them solo. It can be difficult to gauge how much space a turtle needs because it depends on the species. Some turtles grow quite large and require tanks over 100 gallons in size. Doing research on your specific type of turtle is essential to determine their housing needs. Overcrowding can also occur if there aren't enough hiding places or basking spots. This competition for resources can lead to aggression or injury, so remember to provide plenty of areas for your turtle to relax. Monitor water parameters. Turtles typically live in water, so it's essential to monitor the water parameters. The ideal pH level for a turtle tank is between 6.5 and 8. Changes in pH can stress the turtle out and make them susceptible to illness. You can purchase test kits that measure the pH levels of the water. If the pH is off, you can add chemicals to adjust it. Another important water parameter to monitor is the ammonia and nitrite levels. These are byproducts of the nitrogen cycle. When the nitrogen cycle is balanced, the ammonia and nitrite levels will be at 0 parts per million. You can purchase test kits that measure these levels. If the levels are elevated, perform a water change. To help balance the nitrogen cycle, it's also a good idea to purchase a filter specifically designed for turtles. These filters will help remove debris and keep the water clean. Handle your turtle carefully. Turtles have strong, sharp beaks and can bite if they feel threatened or uncomfortable. To prevent bites, support the entire weight of the turtle when you hold them. Never grab them by the tail or try to pick them up with one hand. These actions can injure your turtle. Also, avoid submerging your turtle underwater. Even if they live in a tank, they need to be able to surface to breathe. If you ever need to transport your turtle, do so in a container that's the proper size. A container that's too small can stress the turtle out and cause them to suffer. A container that's too big can allow the turtle to injure themselves while moving around. Understand signs of illness. Being able to recognize the signs of illness is crucial to ensuring your turtle lives a long life. If you notice any changes in behavior or appearance, consult a veterinarian. Some common illnesses in turtles include respiratory infections, shell rot, and eye cloudiness. Respiratory infections often cause discharge from the nose and mouth. Shell rot can cause discoloration and damage to the shell. Eye cloudiness can impair your turtle's vision and lead to further complications. There are many things to consider when taking care of a turtle. By following the tips above, you can help ensure your turtle stays happy and healthy. Turtles can live for many years, so it's crucial to be prepared for a long-term commitment. Do you have a pet turtle? If so, let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends that might find it useful as well. Remember to subscribe for more content. All the references used are added in the description box below. Thanks for watching.